Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 29, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 26, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.29. Now let's examine how the stock has actually performed during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has exceeded our system's prediction, showing a gain of 0.44%. This means that, on average, the stock has delivered a daily return of 0.22% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, which creates a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $43.83 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising or even a trend shift. Looking ahead, the 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 25.76% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 25.74% to 56.66%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 60.07% change over the next year, with a potential return between 36.83% and 91.37%. This means the stock price could range from $59.99 to $83.89 after 1 year. Our latest update for Intel brings some exciting news. The stock price ended at $43.84 on Monday after a gain of 0.435%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 29th of January 2024, the Intel stock price increased by 0.435%. It started at $43.65 and went up to $43.84. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $42.81 and a high of $43.99, a difference of 2.75%. While the price has gone up in 7 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by -6.96% during this period. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 76 million shares, with a total of 51 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.24 billion. It's worth noting that when volume decreases while prices rise, it could be a sign of potential changes in the upcoming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Intel stock was $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 14.5% or $7.44 below its 52-week high. It is also 36.73% or $25.45 below its all-time high, which was reached on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Intel a sell grade with a hold action. On Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer gave Intel a perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Intel a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Tigris Financial gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as neutral. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of buy. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Intel. Despite gaining prices, the volume of Intel's stock fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. It is important to closely monitor the stock's performance. Additionally, there have been some negative signals that may impact its short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals for Intel, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock corrects upwards, it will face resistance from the lines at $47.34 and $46.94. Breaking above these levels would issue buy signals. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 13.63% decrease in the stock's value. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. If you're interested in learning about other signals, here are a few you might find useful. The moving average convergence divergence is currently showing a sell signal. Pivots also indicate a sell signal 22 days ago. On the other hand, Bollinger Bands are suggesting a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is showing a sell signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a sell signal 3 days ago. In terms of the relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 59 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average is showing a sell signal 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average has a buy signal 64 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages is also indicating a buy signal 209 days ago. Remember, if you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When it comes to Intel, there's an interesting support level to consider. It's located at $43.81, and we've seen a significant volume accumulation at this price. This could potentially create a buying opportunity as history suggests an upwards reaction when this support level is tested. Keep in mind that Intel tends to have average price movements throughout the day. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent data, we can see that the stock moved $1.18 between its highest and lowest points in the last trading day, which represents a 2.75% change. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been around 3.34%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. In the case of Intel, the PE ratio is extremely high, indicating a possible overvaluation. However, it's not unusual for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2024 is expected to be released on April 25, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $45.18. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $43.81. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. conducted an insider buy, acquiring 141,791 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider buy, purchasing 62,189 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider buy, obtaining 522,388 shares of phantom stock units. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy, acquiring 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell, disposing of 6,477 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.148. Overall, insiders purchased 337,967 shares and sold 403,532 shares in the last 100 trades.
We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, the evaluation is negative. Additionally, no stop loss has been set for this stock.
Is it a good idea to invest in Intel stock? The Intel stock currently shows several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock leans towards the negative side. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements in the market, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For the trading day on Tuesday, January 30th, we project that Intel will open lower by $0.293, starting at a price of $43.55. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.